Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will talk about this tiny charger from AUKEY. This is the Minima, something like that. You can check out the link down below. And this little guy right here can charge up to 18 watt of power, and it is only slightly bigger than the 5 watt that came with your old iPhone. If you have an iPhone 12 mini, this is all you need. With 18 watt of power, you can charge your iPhone 12 mini using the MagSafe charger at maximum rate with only 18 watt of power. And this one has a very simple design. It has an AUKEY logo at the front and a green USB-C port, and the entire charger is made out of glossy plastic. Very simple, and it's very light as well. And if you are using one of those big phone like the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max, and you want to charge using the MagSafe charger, then you will need to upgrade this to a bigger charger brick, such as this guy right here. This is the 30 watt charger from AUKEY as well. The nice thing about this is that it has two USB ports, USB-C and USB-A. And if you use the USB-C alone, then that USB-C can output up to 30 watt of power. And if you use the USB-A, that USB-A can output up to 12 watt of power. And if you use both of them at the same time, then that 30 watt of power will be shared between the two ports. And I have been using this to charge my MacBook Pro and my OnePlus 8 Pro at the same time. And yes, it works. My MacBook Pro 13-inch here and my OnePlus 8 over there. And as you can see, my OnePlus 8 is charging. There you go. And my MacBook Pro is charging as well. Focus. There you go. Can you see it? There you go. And both of these devices are connected to this charger from AUKEY. And right now, it feels a bit warm to the touch, but not hot at all. Highly recommend it. So if you have a laptop that accepts USB-C charging and you have a phone, then you can just plug both of them into this tiny guy and charge both of them at the same time. And that is great if you're traveling. You don't have to pack two different chargers for two different devices. You can just bring this one and plug both of them in and wake up at 100% for both of them. Both of these, they charge fast, but they don't get hot. They only get slightly warm to the touch. My mom has been using this to charge her iPhone 12 mini for 2 weeks now, and she's happy with it. And it charged her iPhone 12 mini fast. It only gets warm to the touch, not hot, not crazy hot, and her phone stay cool as well. I highly recommend you to check this guy out. I will put the link down below. And that's it for this review video. I know it is just such a short video because the two are just like, what else? They're just charger. They have no other like smart function. Well, anyways, click that red subscribe button, click that bell, click that like button, and check out the link down below for these two guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys again in the next one. Peace out.